Hi, I'm Katheryn, and this is Ulrike, and we're putting together a course called Wild and Precious Life, Women Living with and Beyond Breast Cancer.
We are here to make breast cancer less frightening and stigmatizing, and also to face the reality that so many of us are affected by it.
And we want to offer clarity and dignity as well as empowerment for women going through breast cancer and their friends, their family, and their wider communities.
All of us are affected by breast cancer in some way.
And we're here to inform you and therefore resource you. So Ricky, what are some things, as a doctor who specializes in this, what are some of the things that you could offer to women?
80% of breast cancer can be healed when detected early. And breast cancer is not one condition. There are so many different types and stages and growing patterns like plants in your garden. And it's important to screen and to do self-examination. So, Katheryn, what are your top tips for women going through breast cancer?
Well, there are 3 things that were given to me like a gift from someone at the very beginning after my diagnosis. And they were that people who you absolutely are sure are going to be there for you are going to disappear. Don't be shocked. There are people you hardly know who are going to rock up and become completely essential in your life and amaze you. And you're going to really need cancer-free days. You're going to need days to enjoy the blue sky, the giggling with your children or your neighbors, and picnics on the beach, whatever it is. And the subject of cancer is just forbidden on those days. That is really essential. And I would add to that 2 other things, which are basically that you need to have a really good support system around you, not just your immediate family, but people beyond that who you assign to be in reliable roles for you, who are willing to do that, as well as a really safe and trustable medical team that you might need to go through and test a few people and find who will really listen to you and respond to your questions that are so essential when you're under stress. With this combination of things, you can stay sane and have well-being while you're going through that process, and it makes all the difference. Do you have some other tips?
Yes, take your time to decide what to do when you get the diagnosis, and withdraw from your daily activities and from your work life for a period of time.
And in addition to that, I would say really consider what's essential and what brings you joy and well-being in your life, and really focus on that. And there's no time like now to start those 2 things. And in all of this, one of the most important things is to have a good sense of humor. And this is just a little peek into the Wild and Precious Life course, and we hope that it's helpful for you, and we hope to maybe see you there. Thank you.
Thank you.